Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel TechNet Guide. Friends, in this video I am going to tell you how to create your first AI agent in n8n automation tool. So friends, you can see this is my n8n dashboard here. Okay, so I will create here first AI agent in n8n automation tool here. Okay, let me create here first step. So here let me create workflow AI agent. Okay, so here you can see add first step. In first step I will add chat model on chat message. Okay, we'll create basic. Okay, back test chat, no problem, it's working. Now let's see hi. So it's successfully working, our chat is working here. Okay, now friends, we have to add here AI agent. Okay, it's a trigger, you can see it's a trigger. Automation will start once trigger initiated. Okay, so when we receive any chat here, then this automation will be start. Okay, so now we have to add here, just click here plus. Now we have to add here AI agent. Okay, AI agent tool. So friends, you can see we have connected AI agent with the chatbot here. Now you can see chat model. Now friends, we have to connect chat model with the AI agent. So just click here plus button. Okay, now we have to select Google Gemini chat model. Now we have to connect with Google Gemini API here. Okay, just click here, create new credential. Now we have to get API key from the Google Gemini API. So friends, you can see API key, this is already created API key. So let me tell you how to create API key in Google Gemini. Name of our API key, n8n AI. Okay, name, create project. Okay, project name n8n lab. Okay, now click here to create API, create key. Now new API key created here, just click here API key, just copy this API key, go copy. Now go to the n8n, just paste here this API key. Now click on save. Now just close here. Now your API connected, go to the back to the canvas. Okay, so you can see now it's connected. Just initiate chat hi, so it should be work. Okay, you can see reply from the Google Gemini hi human. So output hi, how can I help you? So you can see, so my chat model is working fine. Okay, now what I have to do, so now you can see it's working fine. Now you can see memory. What is the means of memory? Let me tell you. Okay, I will ask here, what is my name? What is my name? So Google Gemini will search. So Google Gemini don't know my name. Okay, so why use memory? Memory will remember the things what we have asked. Okay, so suppose I will tell this is my name. Okay, let me tell you, my name is Rakesh. Hi Rakesh, let me ask again my name. What is my name? So you can see this is it's not able to answer because no memory in this AI agent here to remember my name. Okay, so I have to add memory here. I'm going to add basic sample memory. Okay, so we'll ask to remember 10. Okay, so again let me tell him my name is Rakesh. Okay, so again if I will ask my name, so you can see it's stored in sample memory. So when I will ask my name. What is my name? Okay, hello Rakesh, you can see. Hello Rakesh, it's nice to meet you. So if I tell him I am 35-year old, okay, so it will store in sample memory. Okay, and now I will ask what is my age. Is my age, so it will reply. So I just ask that what is my age, so you know what is my name is Rakesh and you are 35-year-old. Okay, now friends, tools. Here I will suppose I will connect here one tool here. Let me Google Sheet. Okay, let me connect here Google Sheet tool. Okay, now I have to select create credential. So friends, we have to connect here our Google Cloud Console here. Okay, so let me tell you how to do this. Okay, so you can see Open Docs. Okay, so you can see Open Docs. Just open this docs here. Okay, you can see we have to go to the Google Cloud Console project. Google Cloud Console, just open here. Okay, now friends, just click here my first project. Okay, then click here new project. Now provide your project name, my n8n project. Now click here create. Now select my n8n project. Now friends, you have to click here API and service in quick access. API and service. Now just click here library. Now we have to select API service like Google Sheet API. Okay, just click here. Now friends, you have to enable Google Sheet API. Now friends, you have to click on auth consent screen. Just click here to get started. Now just app name and user email address. App name n8n. Email is a selected email address. Now click next. Okay, now click on next. We can select external contact address. Now click on next. Finish, agree, continue, create. Now we have to click here branding. Now friends, on the authorization domain we have to click here add domain. Now friends, we have to put here host name of our n8n hostinger. Okay, put here host name. Now friends, on the overview you have to create auth client. Okay, now application type web application, web client n8n. Okay, now we have to add authorize URL. Okay, now go to n8n here, authorize URL. Now friends, in n8n we have to copy this, just copy and paste. Okay, now click here to create. So we'll get here client ID, just copy client ID and paste here. Go to n8n and paste client ID. Okay, now again go to audience. Now go to audience. Now just click here to publish app, confirm. Now again click here. You can see is created web client n8n. You can see client secret, just copy and paste here. Okay, client secret, paste here. Okay, now just click here to sign in with Google. Now sign in with your user account from which you have created. Okay, now just select here, select all and continue. Now you can see connection successful. Okay, just close here. Now we can close. Okay, Google Sheet. Okay, we'll We'll create new Google Sheet here. Now friends, we can change the name of the Google Sheet. My n8n AI project. Okay, so what we can do, we have to this is my sheet 1. Okay, you can see sheet 1. Okay, what we can do, we can put here just name, random name, mobile, email, city. Okay, we can put here random name. We'll put here Mark, Rakesh, Jimmy. So friends, you can see these are the entry in my worksheet here. Okay, I will ask AI agent to within this entry. Let me see if it is reply or not. Okay, so you can see my n8n project here. Just close this sheet. Okay, I've created. It should be saved. Now go to the AI tool. Now friends, we have to select here. You can see Google Sheet, my n8n project. Okay, just choose your sheet 1. Okay, it should be sheet 1. Now close this. Now we can just save here and execute. Now friends, just we can just type here. We can ask what is mobile number of Mark. Now friends, actually it's not able to identify, but it tell here adoption system message for user detail get from Google Sheet. Okay, now execute app. Go to the canvas. Now yeah, you can see Mark mobile is this one. What is city of Rakesh? Yeah, city is Delhi. You can see city is Delhi. How we have created AI agent, okay, in n8n.